can make them feel happy, and at the same time that thing also make them can unhappy and make him feel sad. So this is just only about human beings. Only human beings have the feelings that to feel happy, that to feel sad. No, this is not like that. You know, sometimes birds also start to compare themselves with others, and then they make themselves unhappy and sad. So here is the story about some birds who start to compare themselves with the other birds. Now, what is the name of the story? See, this is here on the planet. Who is happy? Actually, this story start with a one common bird which you know and which you normally seen everywhere. And who is that bird? See, on the screen you can see this bird here. This is crow. You know what is the speciality of crow? Crow have a strong beak, then tough body, and especially a clever mind. We met in the story. This crow name is Piku. One day what happened? This Piku go and sat on a branch of a tree. After some time, when he looked outside, what he observed, he said, "Wow, people, they are sharing my stories. They are telling each other the story about the clever crow. I am so happy and I am satisfied with my life. I don't want anything other things in my life. Already I am having the strong beak, my tough body and a clever mind. I don't any other extra thing in my life. Already I am very happy." So he was satisfied with his life. After few days, when he flew and when he started to take a round in the sky, he saw one bird in a lake. Now who is that? See, this is here. So this is Sonu. Sonu, he was swan. So he has a very beautiful white feathers on his body. So he just flew down and he said, "Sonu, you are looking so beautiful. Look at me, my color is black, and look at you. You are having the white and very nice feathers on your body. You are looking so beautiful. Just tell me, you are the prettiest bird in the world. What are you feeling now, miss? You are looking so beautiful." Sonu simply replied, "Yes, I was very happy, but till I met Mittu." You know about Mittu. Who is Mittu? Mittu is a parrot. You know about Mittu? Mittu has a red beak and a green coat. He looks so attractive in that. He is looking so beautiful. When I compare myself with the Mittu, I feel like that I am so ugly. And this my white color makes me feel very dull and plain. Nothing is special in me. This white color makes me feel very dull and very plain. Look at that Mittu with a green coat and with a red beak. Seriously, he is so attractive. He is looking very nice and majestic. Majestic means very beautiful. So he is looking very nice and very attractive. So when he heard about Mittu, he decided to go there to meet a Mittu. So Piku goes to meet a Mittu. And that time he said, "Wow, Mittu, you are looking so beautiful in this green coat with a red beak. You look majestic, very attractive. Because of that red color beak, you look so attractive. Look at myself. I'm not having this colors I'm not having that red beak, but you look so attractive in this." He said, "Thank you very much. Thank you that you are praising me. I feel so happy that you make me feel very special. You are talking good things about me. You like me the way I am." But actually, I was also praising myself. I was also talking good things about me. I was also happy with my colors. But until I met Krish. Now, who is Krish? Krish was a peacock. So he said, one day, on a rainy day, I saw that this Krish, he just only spread his tail and started to dance in the rain. Wow! He looks so beautiful. In front of him, I'm nothing. I'm not looking so beautiful. He is such a beautiful bird. So, after that, when he heard about everything about the Krish, he decided that I want to meet a Krish. Then this crow, this Piku, he started to search him everywhere. In the nearest forest, then he went but he did not found him. After a lot of time, when he was taking a round in the sky in a search of this peacock, so he found that this peacock, someone caught him and just keep him in a cage. Now what is cage? You can see this picture here. They keep this peacock in a cage. This is the structure which made by metal rods. So mostly people, when they want to keep animals or the birds in their home, they are keeping them in a cage and they are not allowing them to go outside. So he saw him. That crow, he started to wait for him. He spent his full day there on that tree he wanted to make this peacock. So he wasted his all full day there on that branch. So he saw that many people, more than 100 people, they are coming there into the zoo. Zoo is a particular place where we are keeping the animals, and many people, they are coming to see the birds and the animals in that place, and they are visiting every day there. So he saw that many 100 people, they are coming there. They are just surrounding that cage and they are admiring the beauty of this peacock. They are talking about the beautiful peacock and they are clicking many pictures with that peacock. Arey, look at this peacock is very beautiful, this peacock is very nice. So they are clicking many pictures with that peacock. He felt so happy. Miss Crow felt so happy. Crow said, wow, the life of peacock is so nice. Many people coming there, many people admiring the beauty of this peacock. So as the sun go down, he just only went into the cage and he said, "Oh peacock, oh Krish, you are so lucky. You are the luckiest bird and you are the prettiest bird ever. Look, many people, they are coming here to admire your beauty. They are talking about the beauty of which you are having, your colorful tail. Then how you look so nice and the combination of colors. So it made you look very beautiful. You are so lucky. Just tell me now, what do you feel when you are in a cage? Miss, you are feeling very nice na, in a cage when many hundred of people coming here to admire your beauty." He just said, "Oh Piku, thank you that you are talking about me and my beauty. But I am just like a beautiful prisoner. I feel like a prisoner. I cannot go outside. I know, I was also very happy. I was always talking about my beauty. But now this beauty made me feel very unhappy. Because I am beautiful, that's why they caught me. And they just keep me here in a cage. In the cage, no one gave me permission to go outside. I cannot fly just like you in the open sky. So I am just like a beautiful prisoner. For me, the freedom is more important. Now you are free. You can go anywhere where you want. But this is not about me. So this beauty, my beauty, is the reason of my unhappiness." So after the conversation, we could understand. Means this is our habit. We make comparison between us, and we also compare other person with third person, and this thing make us unhappy. When we compare ourselves with others who is better than us, we start to see the faults and we start to see the just only drawbacks in us, and this thing make us very unhappy. So the one thing which you have to keep in your mind, that everyone has something special in them. We just only need to find it. If you have a special thing, just find it and you are beautiful with that thing. Nothing can make you unhappy. But if you compare yourself with others, so it is absolutely going to make the reason to feel you unhappy. So don't ever compare yourself with others and just be happy with the things which you are having. Make the value of the things which you are having in you. So here in the story we learn some new words also. Attractive means, when they talk about each other, they use this word in the story, attractive. Attractive means most beautiful or more beautiful, which looks very nice. Then we talk about the cage. When we start to talk about the peacock. What is a cage? A structure which made by a metal rod. Then comparing. What is comparing? When we start to examine one people with the other one, or the one thing with the other thing. So that we call comparing. Now, majestic. What is majestic? Very large, good, and who is very beautiful. That we call majestic. For an example, when peacocks start to dance in a rainy days, so that looks very majestic. So majestic means beautiful. Then praising means to give the approval to somebody's expression. Means somebody when they express their thoughts in front of you, you are looking very nice. And when we are approving the thing, when we are saying yes, so that we call praising the thing. So these things we learn in the story, and at the end of the story, I just only want to tell you that just be happy with the things which you are already having. Bye bye. We will meet in the next.